Hi, students, and welcome to week 14 in your online general psychology course. This week we are covering industrial and organizational psychology. And so this is the newest area of psychology that you'll find in general psych textbooks. So it is a new look at organization and business and all the elements of the INO psychology pieces. So it should be an interesting chapter for you. This week, for this chapter, you will only have the chapter 14 post-test. And the reason for that, it being your only assignment, is because as I scroll down here to the very last item, you have your DSM projects due December 5th. So I've done a video about that. I have gone through and explained what I'm looking for in this assignment. You have links, you have examples, you have the grading rubric. But I just want to remind you that this is 20% of your overall grade, a very significant grade for you. It is also your honors assignment. So I'll be reporting your completion of this assignment to the honors office. So it's a big deal. It's a big assignment. So it's due December 5th. Please let me know if you have any questions about it. Again, if you haven't already watched the video, you want to go back and watch the video. It is in the previous module. So make sure you are working on that. I also just want to kind of jump ahead here so we can talk about the rest of the semester. So next week is our last week of classes, week 15, and that will be our last chapter, which is chapter 15, psychological disorders. And your DSM project is due this week also, so you will have a chapter 15 quiz, but the focus really should be on that DSM project. I have some information on how to prep for the final exam. And then your final exam is in week 16, and it is due on December 8th, and it will be over these chapters right here. So just a little preview ahead, some information on what's happening this week, and then, of course, as I scroll to the very last item in your module, you have your honors DSM project. So reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a great week, everybody.